Good everybody, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? My name is Quadratic Formula, and what we do here is we make wonderful videos to solve simple problems in math. So what I'm doing today here is I'll be showing you how ax squared plus bx plus equals 0 led to x equals minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. The first thing you do is what? Write it out. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So another thing you do is you divide both sides by a. So when you divide both sides by a cancels a. So this will now be what? X squared plus b over a x plus c over a equals 0. Equals 0 because 0 divided by a will give you 0. So if you know 0 divided by a will give you 0, so what you do there is you now come here and you now say the next thing to do is take plus c over a to the other side. When you take plus c over a to the other side, that will give you x squared plus b over ax equals to what? Minus c over a. So now that you have this point of minus c over a, then the next thing you do is you come here and you say, since I have this, one thing about this is you simply say add half the square of the coefficient of x to both sides. Add half the square of the coefficient of x to both sides. So what that actually means is the coefficient of x is b over a. So half of it, we are proving that it is x squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a. You know there's the one you can't see. Then square equals minus c over a plus b over 2a squared. I've added half the coefficient of x to both sides. So having done this, if I come to this face, this will now be x squared plus b over ax, then plus b squared over, 2a squared will be 4a squared. So that will be 4a squared, then equals minus c over a plus b squared over what? 4a squared. So with this, I know I've solved part of it. Then the next thing, let's concentrate more on this part. So if you factorize this, a very simple way, what I advise is this. Since you are even dealing with the coefficient of x, and you have it as b over a squared, then what you just do here is you just come here and you say x plus, you have this as b over what? 2a, then you have what? Square. Can you see it? Then equals, the next thing is please rearrange this. This will be b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. Are you seeing it? Then you can come here and take the LCM of this. It makes it very simple. So that will be 4a squared as the LCM. 4a squared divided by 4a squared is what? 1. 1 times b squared is what? B squared. Minus 4a squared divided by a is what? 4a. 4a times c is what? 4ac. Remember that you have x plus b over 2a or square. In mathematics, when you have a square on one side and you don't have the square doesn't completely finish off this, you have a plus minus added to that side. So if you take square root of both sides, square root, this is as well plus minus, you are going to that the square root of this cancels this square. So that will be x plus b over 2a equals plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac. This remains. So this square root affects this 4a. So this will now be what? Square root of 4a, that will be 2a. Are you seeing this? So the next thing is, let's make x subject. We take plus b over 2a to the other side. That gives you x equals minus b over 2a plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Finally, take the LCM of both sides. So that will be 2a. 2a divided by 2a is what? 1. 1 times minus b is what? That will be what? Minus b plus minus 2a divided by 2a is what? That's 1. 1 times the whole of b squared minus 4ac, that gives you root b squared minus 4ac. So this is the proof of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, which leads to x equals minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe more, share and like the video. God bless you. Bye for now.